Today I'll be installing a rear bumper because the back is pretty rusted out from the inside out. This is a Toyota 1997 SR5 V6. It has 230,000 miles on it, and it's an original bumper, so it's 24 years old. As you can see from the inside, it's rusted like mad. I almost got a hole in the back of it. It's making the chrome on the outside peel off. It has 8 bolts to hold this bumper on. There's 2 in the corners that's pretty hidden and pretty hard to get off because it's bolted to the frame of the car, and the frame, well, I guess you can say the sidewalls of the back bumper, they're very thin pieces of metal. It's attached really good, so if it's rusted on, it's gonna probably just tear away from it like it did on mine. Well, yeah, as I was taking the bumper off, rust started falling from the back bumper. I made big chunks of it. So this bumper it was going to eventually have a big hole in the back. I have seen cars ride around, well, 4runners in my town that have holes all right through their bumpers. I didn't record taking this bumper off because it gave me a little fit. I had to use a cut-off saw to really cut some of the bolts because they was really frozen there. I did put some anti-seize lubricant on it that soaked into for like days, and I did it again. It wouldn't help. As you see, I painted my frame already. Well, I already sanded it down, repainted it, and I sprayed some like a wax protective on it. You'll see it in the video later on. This is the part I say it'll probably rip off. It was bending on me. It was tearing away from the frame. On the driver's side, it did tear away, so I had to weld it back a little bit because it ripped away. This is the side that ripped off a little bit. These are my new bumpers. I ordered them off Amazon. I'm gonna spray paint them on the inside because to keep them from rusting. Before you spray paint them, you gotta clean them with brake fluid to clean off the grease. Yep, fender was rusted from the inside out. Had to cut them off too. I had to use a cutoff wheel. Every single bolt snapped off. Oh my world. But no big deal. I got a new one. And I painted this one on the inside. Paint it, gloss it. I'm gonna coat it. That's the new bumper. New chrome bumper. New chrome sides. But this time it's painted from the inside. It won't rust from the inside out. And these are brackets that hold it onto the little car. And the bolts that snapped off, they come with it. I just got them taped up. They're taped up. There they go. But I need some nuts. I'm going to Lowe's right now to buy some nuts. Shake this for 2 minutes before you start it, which I already done. It says shake it like majority time while you're messing with it. Like, I guess it clogs up. It's really, it goes on thin, but it says it's like 20 microns thick. Each layer. spray up under the car where this stuff is gonna meet up. Those brackets join right here, and here. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray up on her body, coat it with that wax, and then let it dry. It's gotta dry 2 hours. And then you can put another layer if you want to and let it dry for 2 hours. I got her back bumper replaced. New back bumper. I'm gonna clean some of the stuff off of it and shine it up.